Hello kids, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will start with chapter 7. Can you see the pattern, session 2. Fill in the blank spaces in the same way. So here you can see two sides, that is left hand side LHS and right hand side RHS. So we have to make both of them equal. So A, let us look at the question number A, that is 14 plus blank space equals to 34 plus 14 plus 20. So here you can see 14 is already there, so only two numbers are missing. From RHS you can see it that 34 and 20 is not there in LHS, that is left hand side. So we have to write 34 plus 20. The same way B, 42 is in LHS and 65 and 80 is in RHS, that is right hand side. So we will fill the blank space with the number which is missing. So here 65, 80 and in RHS it is 42. Let us see the third one, that is C, 200 plus 300 and one number is missing, that is 400, and here two numbers are not there. From the left hand side we can copy it down, 200 and 300. D, you have to fill your own numbers. So I am putting it at 65, 34 and 20, and again 34, 20 and 65. You can write your own also. So now look at this, 48 multiplied by 13 equals to 38 multiplied by 40. Check if it is true or not. So if you will multiply 48 with 13, you will get 624, and even if you will multiply 13 into 48, you will get 624. So both would be equal. So it doesn't matter the numbers interchange in multiplication and addition. Left, right, same to same. Can you see something special about 1 to 1? What? It's just a number. See, it is the same forward as well as backward. Oh yes, it is 1 to 1 from right to left also. So this kind of numbers and words are also called palindromes. So come, let's see how to get such numbers. So how to get such palindromes, let us see. Take a number, say 43, now turn it back to front, that is 34, then add them together, that is 77. 77 is one such special number. There are many such numbers. You have reversed the number by writing it back to front. Now take another number, that is 48, now turn it back to front, that is 84, then add them together, that is 132. Is this a special number? No. Why not? Because from left to right and right to left it is read as same, so it is not a special number yet. So okay, carry on with the number, that is 132. Again turn it back to front, that is 231, then add the two together, that is 363. 363 is a special number. So we see that to get special numbers we sometimes needs more steps. So let us see some more examples. Now you try and change these numbers into special numbers. Question number 1A, that is 28. So given number is 28. By reversing it, it would be 82. Then by adding them together, that is 28 plus 82, that is 110. So again by reversing it, because the 110 is not a special number, so again by reversing it, it would be 011. Then add the two together, so it would be 121. So 121 is a special number. Now look at the B, that is 132. By reversing it, it would be 231. By adding together, that would be 363. So 363 is a special number. Now C, that is 273. By reversing it, it would be 372. Adding them together, it would be 645. Then again reversing it, as 645 is not special number, so again reversing it, it would be 546. Adding both the number together will get 1191. This is also not a special number, so again by reversing it we'll write it as 1911 in reverse. So we'll add them together, we'll get 3102. Again this is not a special number, so again by reversing it we'll write 2013, and by adding them we'll get 5115, that is special number. So in the last one we have to do more steps to get the special number. So did you notice that it reads the same from both sides, right to left and left to right? So see this. Now let us use words in a special way. No lemons, no melons. Step not on the path. So if you read from right to left and left to right, it would be same. So now try and use words in a special way. See this. Stack cats. So if you read it right to left and left to right, it would be same. A nut from a jar of tuna. Rise towards a, never odd or even. So if you read it left to right or right to left, you will get the same words. Calendar magic. Look at the calendar below. Let us mark 3 into 3 box 9 dates on the calendar and see some magic. So here you can see 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, 12, 17, 18 and 19 is marked in a box. So a girl is telling that I can quickly find the total of these numbers in the box. So these all numbers, that is 3, 4, 5, 3 plus 4 plus 5, 10 plus 11 plus 12 plus 17 plus 18 plus 19. The girl can find the total of these 9 numbers quickly. So another girl is telling that won't that take some time? So the girl answered the total is 99. So how she did, this is the trick. Take the smallest number, that is 3, add 8 to it, plus 8, it would be 11, and multiply it by 9. So 11 9s are 99, the total is 99. This is how she find out. This is the trick. So this here is the another trick. Hey, just take the middle number and multiply it with by 9. See, you can get the answer even faster. So here you can see in the middle, you see that the number is 11, and if you will multiply with 9 that number, you will get 99. So it would be little bit faster. So now choose any 3 by 3 box from a calendar and find the total in the same way. Play this game with your family. As you are in lockdown, you can play this game with your family. You just need a calendar. See some more number patterns. Take any number, multiply it by 2, 3, 4 at every step, and also add 3 to it each step. Look at the difference in the answer. Is it the same at every step? See here, 12 2s are 24 plus 3 it is 27, 12 3s are 36 plus 3 39, 12 4s are 48 plus 3 51, 12 5s are 60 plus 3 63, 12 6s are 72 plus 3 75, then here 12, then 7, 12 multiplied by 7 plus 3, that is 84 plus 3 87, then 12 multiplied by 8 equals to 96 plus 3 99, and 12 multiplied by 9, that is 108 plus 3 111. So see the difference. So difference between 27 and 39 is 12. 39 plus 39 and 51 is 12. The difference between 51 and 63 is also 12. So the difference is same. So now try doing it with some other numbers and also take a different number to add at each step. Look at the numbers below. Look for the patterns. Can you take it forward? So of course you will take it forward. It is very easy. 9 minus 8 divided by 8 equals to 1. 98 minus 2, that is 96, divided by 8 equals to 12. 987 minus 3 divided by 8, that is 984, divided by 8 equals to 123. Then 9876 minus 4, that is 9872, divided by 8 is equals to 1236. 34. So you can see the pattern that here 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2, and it will go like this. Then minus, after minus the number is 1 2 3 4 5, then 6 and 7, it will go like that. And here in the answer on the right hand side, the numbers will go like 1 2 3 4 5 and so on. So here we'll get the 1 2 3 4 5 answer. Then again here 9 8 7 6 5 4 minus 6, and we'll get 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then again 9 8 7 6 5 4 3, here it would be 7, and we'll get answer 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and you can take it forward also. Smart adding. What if someone gives you to add 10 numbers together? Oh, I can find it quickly. Smart. How can you do that? I can get the sum without adding. How it is? See here. See, 1 to 10, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 is equal to 55. Then 11 to 20 is equal to 155. Then again 21 to 30 is equals to 255. Then 31 to 40 is equal to 355. Then 41 to 50 is equals to 455. 51 to 60 is equals to 555, and 61 to 70, it would be 655. So you can see the patterns. The total is 155, then 155, then again plus 100, that is 255, then again plus 100, and so on. So did you notice some pattern in the answers? So here you can answer the sum of 10 numbers quickly. Now look at this fun with odd numbers. Odd numbers are 1 3 5 7 and so on. So see, take first two odd numbers, now add them. See what you get. See, 1 plus 3 equals to 4, that is 2 into 2, square of 2. 1 plus 3 plus 5, that is equals to 9, that is square of 3, 3 into 3. And 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 is equals to 16, which is square of 4. Then again 1 3 5 7 9 is equals to 25, which is square of 5. 1 3 5 7 9 and 11 is equals to 36, which is equals to square of 6. Then 1 3 5 7 9 11 13 is equals to 49, and which is square of 7. So how far can you go on? So you can go on with 15 17 and on. Secret numbers. Bannu and Binod were playing a guessing game by writing clues about a secret number. Each tried to guess the other's secret number from the clues. Can you guess their secret numbers? Here are the clues. It is the larger than half of 100, that is, the number is larger than 50. It is more than 6 tens and less than 70. So it is between 60 to 17. The tens digit is 1 more than the ones digit, and together the digit have a sum of 11. So the number is 65. Now Binod, it is a smaller than half of 100. It is more than 4 tens and less than 5 tens. The tens digit is 2 more than ones digit. Together the digits have a sum of 6. The number is 42. Write a set of clues for a secret number of your own. Then give it to your friend to guess your secret number. Number surprises. Ask your friend to write down his age. Add 5 to it. Ask them to add 5 to it. Then ask them to multiply the sum by 2. Subtract 10 from it, and next divide it by 2. So what will he get? Is your friend surprised? Check it out. See again, take a number like 9, double it, that is 9 2s are 18, multiply it with 5, so 18 5s are 90, then again divide the answer by 10, that is 9, the number which we have started. Now take a number, we'll take it at 7. You can take your number also, double it, that is 7 2s are 14, then again double it, 14 2s are 28, add the number you took first to the answer, that is 7, so we'll get 35. Now again double it, 35 2s are 70, now divide it by 10, that will get 7 again. Now look at this pattern of numbers and take it forward. 1 equals to 1 into 1, 121 equals to 11 into 11, 1 2 3 2 1 is equals to 1 1 1, multiply by 1 1 1, 1 2 3 4 3 2 1 is equals to, here we'll get 1111, multiply by 1111. Now make your own number surprises. Thank you very much for your patience. Have a nice day.